Here's what you receive when you get your toe switch remote. Depending on what remote function of which product, your remote may look different. For the iThread and the new Deck TR, this is the type of remote that you'll receive. Now, even with this, the buttons are still active. You can still work the buttons or use the toe switch. Okay, there's two ways to set up your toe switch. The first way would be to go out and get some of these insoles that go right into your shoe. It's better to use this. You do have the ability to cut what size and stuff. It's better to use this than to directly put it on your shoe, because depending on how old your shoe is and if it's really sweaty, the Velcro doesn't want to stick. I use industrial Velcro. What you do is you take, and actually yours will come with a little piece of this already on there, and we'll give you a little bit of extra. And then you put this on the insole like this. So that way you have the ability to position the pressure sensitive toe switch to wherever your toe would go. You want to line it up with your toe so that it can easily press it. That's method number one of activating your toe switch. Or, I'll take my shoe off here. Before we go there, we'll actually show you what I mean here. I put it in, and you take and you put it in your shoe, so it's all lined up. Now this method is very, very comfortable, but you feel like, you know, you might be activating it when you're walking. In all reality, you can keep it on and not worry about it, but if you're not using it, we have put on this little switch to turn off the toe switch, so you can just walk normally without any problems and turn it back on when you need to, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's method number one. Not sure if you can see down inside there, but what I do is I put it on. Now for method number one of the hookup, I have it set and it's lined up for my toe. I keep this hanging out for now. I put it on my shoe. And you want to position the switch so it's right under your big toe. Or it could be to the side so that basically you can position it. And right now we're just going to use Deck TR, our new product that's coming out very, very soon. So you can see the activation. You can see the lights blinking. If I push the button with my toe, ITR mode starts. So you can see the little yellow light. Push it again, turns off. Basically just by pushing down, it turns on. Now I'm just going to, now what you do with the extra piece, and make sure if you need to know whether it's on or off. On is red, off is black if you look really close. What I do is I just take these two and I just put it right in here, the switch and the remote, and just put it in my sock. It's very, very comfortable like that. Now that's method number one. Now method number two would work as followed. Take it out of here. Be careful, don't like pull it from, like just pull it out just like that, because you may mess up your switch. So it's in there really, really good, but don't be pulling in whatever really hard, or you may separate your switch. Now that's method number one. Now I'm going to take out the insole, pull that off. Now on this particular shoe, I've actually taken the soft Velcro and I've put it on the very top inside of the shoe. So instead of pushing down, I'm going to move my toe up. Then the switch is very, very sensitive, and it works very well this way, and you don't have to alter your way of walking or consider the switch at all until you actually need it. This method isn't as sensitive as pushing down, but it does work well. So you choose what you want to do. So I have the Velcro, the hard side Velcro here, and I put it to the top edge, right where my toe would go up, right here. Okay, I have it inside, up on the top. I'm going to put my toe back in there, or my toes, my piggies. Put it in there. My switch is on, so this now it is active. Put it in here. Now the great thing is it's the most comfortable is this way. Now we'll do this again. You can see the green light. Can you see the green light there? Okay. Now if I lift my toe, it'll activate. let me reposition it. I have to reposition it. I didn't get it exactly right. So I'll reposition it a little bit higher so that my big toe goes right under it. I lift my toe and activates just by lifting my toe. See that? I lift here. Right now the yellow light is on. Push it again. It turns off just by lifting your toe. On, off. And that's how you use the ultimate toe switch.